Water is a life, and today we will talk about water resources. Our earth is covered with 70% of water. Every human being, animal, plants needs water to be live. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, and so on activities. Farmers also need water to grow their crops. Water can be obtained from number of natural resources, and we will talk about that natural resources, that sources from which the water we can gain, just like rain, rivers, oceans, seas, streams, ponds, tanks, lakes, groundwater, and many other things. We get water. The main resource is rivers. India has numbers of rivers. Some of the rivers receive water from rainfall. Many of the rivers receive the water from rainfall. Himalayam. When there is heavy rainfall, the river overflow their banks, causing widespread destruction. We are polluting water of rivers by bathing of animals, throwing garbage, industrial waste in it, and rivers get polluted and its water gets unfit for drinking. Apart from rivers, there is one more source, that is called rain. Rain is a very important source of water. It is a natural source of water. Farmer also depends on monsoon. Rainwater is fresh and clean. Rainwater harvesting is a technique of storing rainwater. This water can be used for irrigation, livestock, and gardening. Rainwater is usually collected on roofs of the house or in the deep storage pit. Rainwater harvesting can be traditional practice in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. Now we will talk about groundwater. Groundwater is used by digging the deep holes on the ground, from where groundwater is taken. Groundwater can be used for irrigation, for drinking purpose, for many other purposes. Wells are usually 5 to 15 meter deep. Wells, hand pumps, tube wells. These all things are used to take out the groundwater. The water from well can be drawn by different methods: lever, Persian wheel, inclined plans, many are there. Tube wells are connected to electric pumps. A tube or pipe is fitted to the source of water. Wells and tube wells have contributed towards the success of green revolution. For plantation, for greenery, they have contributed a lot. These all tube wells, hand pumps, and wells are very common in Bihar, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and many more. Tanks and ponds are constructed in areas where it is not possible to dig the wells. And water is very, very essential. We cannot imagine our life without water. So we should not waste water, we should not pollute water by throwing garbage or any chemical in it in the rivers also. They are very precious, we should save them and we should use them wisely. Thank you. Have a nice day.